Top of the morning, top of the evening, top of the night, top of the whenever you watching this goddamn video was good. This glare is crazy though. But either way, in the previous video, I told y'all we were gonna do the headlights and the wheels, right? Now, the wheels are done. You know what I'm saying? If y'all watch that video, I appreciate you. Make sure you like that video and share with your friends. Second, the headlights was at the warehouse, and the shop had to go get it. Now, I got the headlights, you know what I'm saying? They're currently sitting right here in the box in front of me. I know y'all can't see it, whatever. I'm gonna set the camera up somewhere and show y'all what they look like. Now, when I ordered these headlights, or when I was looking at replacement headlights for the my factory ones, right? I found these RS5 style headlights, and I fell in love instantly with them once I seen them, right? I'm like, you know what? I wanted to also change my headlight ballast. Like I said, the accident was a blessing in disguise because I got a lot of shit that I had to pay out of pocket, bro. So realistically, I just went on a crazy spree finding shit that I wanted. So I'm gonna set this camera up real quick so I can show y'all what the headlights look like, all right? Bro, you don't know how happy I was when I found out the headlights were here. I was waiting for these headlights for so long. Realistically, the shipping for the headlight wasn't that long. The hood is what's taking forever. You know what I'm saying? The hood was made to order. If you know, you know. If you don't know, you just gotta wait. But the headlights are here. They did come a little faster than expected. And I'm ready to put them in. So what we're gonna do is, the next time you see me, or the next clip I should say, is basically me going to my boy's crib and we're gonna put it in. We're gonna take out the bumper, clean up behind it, tuck some wires that I see hanging, freshen up behind it so a lot of shit is hidden, can't be seen. I mean, a couple burnt out parts, like plastic shit gonna dip them up, make them look nice, all the extra shit, all the nice things to make it look nice, you feel me? But all that damn talking, this is what I came to show y'all, which is the new headlight. This is the right headlight, DRLs, indicator, high beams, low beams, LED lights, bright as shit. I'm just ready to put them in, bro. Honestly, I'm just ready to put it in shit. If I could put it in right now, honestly, if I had my own garage, this shit would have been in by tonight. But either way, that's what sucks about not having your own garage and shit. So, you feel me? But headlights are here. I'm super excited to put these in. I can't wait. I'm just nervous. Not even nervous. I'm too excited. I just need these to hurry and go in. Cause my OEM headlights are fucking shit. Ballast is burnt out. I was gonna change it, but because the accident, took the opportunity to get some new headlights, get it out the way. You feel me? So, apart from the visual aspect of new headlights, new hood, new bumper, next I'm gonna finish up the performance like I wanted to do. We're gonna get a retune. You feel me? We're gonna put a bigger intercooler, performance radiator, probably flex fuel. I don't know yet. I'm thinking about it. Might go full E85. If I run a flex, I can jump between 93, E85. I don't know yet. I don't even know if I want to go E85 as yet. I want to probably try out 93 first, see what the car makes, see what the power is, all this extra stuff before I just jump straight to E85. You feel me? That's pretty much it, bro. So next time y'all see me, or the next clip y'all see is actually me going to the my boy's crib to put everything in, clean up the bumper, headlights and all that, make the car look real nice. You know what I'm saying? So let's jump into the next clip. Wake y'all asses up, man. I did say the next clip you're gonna see me in, I'm gonna be in the car, going to my boy's crib. Now, headlights loaded up in the back. The plan for today, swap out that emblem to silver, take off that front plate. I hate that shit. We're gonna basically make behind the bumper real nice looking. Spray what needs to get sprayed, touch what needs to get touched up, tuck what wires need to get tucked. Basically making it nice to my satisfaction. You know what I mean? That's the plan for today. Now, will there be bullshit? I hope not. Do I want bullshit? Hell no. So we're gonna go over there real quick. look at what needs to be looked at, make sure everything is properly so there's no bullshit, so we can get this done real fast. I do have a busy day today, so the faster I can get this done, the better my day could go. The next day, the lights are on the car. You know what I'm saying? I had a busy day yesterday, so I couldn't get the whole installation, but I did get the final installation of the lights. I did get the light show, animation, all of that. You know what I'm saying? This is what the Rs5 headlights look like on a 2016 Audi S3. I did take out the plate. I couldn't switch out the emblem because the emblem could not fit, so we're gonna have to stay black. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn the back emblem into black just to match the front. We took out the plate, we cleaned up behind the bumper. Everything is now clean, looks better, spray what needs to be sprayed, and all of that. I'm saying these lights are amazing, bro. I love them, I'm in love with them. Damn, that shit look nice, ain't it? Y'all see what a headlight look like, man, during daytime and nighttime. The startup animation, how bright they are. It just brings the car alive, changes the whole look of the car and everything, man. I love it, you know what I'm saying? Drop a like on the video, subscribe if you're new, man. Comment down below if you like these lights. I'll probably send you the link for them, or I might have them in the description if I remember to put it in there. But that's it for today's video, bro. I'm out of here. Thank y'all again.
I just like the sound.